One thing is for sure, as long as the majority of the land is still in the hands of the racist whites, as long as all of the rare earths in this country are in the hands of white people, this country will never be solved. The problems will always remain. That is one thing that we have to accept. As long as the government is still running this country using the same system that was used to keep us oppressed, we will never be free. If the black government that took power or took government in 1994 was really serious about transforming this country, then they would have undone many things that are systematic, many things that are still up and running up until today, which were created during apartheid for the sole purpose of maintaining the status quo of the black majority being poor and the white minority and the black minority remaining rich and the black minority being gatekeepers. Whether we like it or not, we are trying to fix problems, but we are not prepared to change anything because we are led by cowards. We are led by people who are easily bought. We are led by people that do everything in their power to please white people. We are led by people abasaba belungu. We are led by amagwala.